Drawing Animals, brought to you by the Los Altos Art Docents. For this project, you'll need 3 sheets of paper and some crayons. We'll learn how to draw animals by finding the geometric shapes that form their bodies, and we'll also learn how to use different kinds of lines to tell us what an animal feels like. To start, let's talk about shapes. As I mention them, use your finger to draw the shapes in the air. Square, rectangle, circle, oval, triangle. While there are more shapes, these are the ones that will be most useful for today. They're all called geometric shapes, and they're used in the study of math. Does anything surprise you about this painting? The cow is yellow. Yellow is a warm color, and the artist wanted the cow to look happy, so he used a warm yellow color. Warm colors are thought to make people feel happy. What shapes do you see in this cow? I see an oval for the belly. I notice that the legs are rectangles. The head and neck are kind of like a triangle. The ears and horns are little triangles. Now let's draw a cow in a different position with different shapes using the scribble method. Move the crayon up and down in short motions to make shapes to create our animal. Start with the body. Create one large oval or rectangle of scribbles. Now do 4 legs. These will be narrow scribbles and make them along slanted or diagonal lines to show that the animal is moving. Put 2 in the back and 2 in the front. We can scribble a rectangle for a head as well. Scribble 2 small rectangles for ears. You can add lines for horns too if you want. Add a tail with a little scruffy hair on the end. Add some eyes and a tongue, and you're done. Let's look at this sculpture of some pigs in the city. Do you ever see pigs on a sidewalk? The standing pig's name is Oliver. Horatio is sitting down, and the sniffing pig is Augusta. What shapes do you see? I see a big oval for a tummy. I see rectangles for their legs. I see ovals for their faces. Small circles for their snouts. Tiny triangles for ears. Curvy lines for tails. On your second sheet of paper, let's draw a pig using ovals and circular shapes. We'll start with the snout. Make a small oval. Next, add a couple little circles for nostrils. Make a large circle for the pig's head. Add 2 circles for eyes. Let's add a large oval for the pig's body. Draw 2 triangles on the top of the head, 1 on each side for ears. Then add 4 small rectangles for their legs. Add a curvy line for a tail. Now have fun coloring it in. Finally, name your pig. Let's look at this painting of a lion. What do you notice about the fur around the lion's head? It's called a mane. What type of lines would help us draw the fur? This lion has different textures, spiky whiskers, but a soft mane. What shapes and lines do you see to help us draw a lion? I see an oval for the head, an upside-down triangle for a nose, triangles for ears, small circles for eyes, and even a rectangle for the bridge of the nose. Let's use our third piece of paper to draw a lion head using geometric shapes and a variety of lines. Let's start by using our finger to trace a large oval for the face, but leaving room for the mane. Going about 1/3 down on the page, let's make some large circles for the eyes. Add a smaller circle inside for the iris. Color that with the eye color of your choice, but leave a small circle left for the pupil. Color in the pupil. Now we make 3 sides of a long rectangle for the top of the nose area. Add an upside-down triangle for the bottom of the nose and color it in. Add 2 upside-down semicircles for the mouth. Next, add straight, hard lines for whiskers. Our lion needs some eyebrows, so add some curvy lines above the eyes. Now make the mane using many colors. Pull the mane all the way around the face. What personality did you give your lion? Is it regal, silly, or fierce? What other animals could you draw? Maybe you can make a whole zoo.